welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up the Maniology November 2020 subscription box. Let's get to it. All right, here we have the card that explains everything. So on the top, they kind of explain the theme of the box. And then in the middle, they explain the different polishes that you get. And on the bottom, they explain the fifth element. We will get back into that a little bit later. But for now, I'm just gonna set this right here. And if you would like to pause and read through it, you can. In the second card, they give you a tutorial on how to do a specific mani using the plates and polishes in the box. So this particular tutorial is going to show you how to do these two nails right here. And after we are done opening up this box and looking through it all, I am going to do the mani for you. So here's the instructions step by step on how to get this look. Okay, now in the box, I've already opened it up because I've done a little bit of prepping. Let's look first at the polishes. So here is Maniology's Frigid. And this is a super pretty color. It's kind of cornflower / periwinkle. It's really pretty. But the really cool thing about this one is it's a thermal color changer. So I think you can see a little bit in here. It goes, now it says it goes from blue to purple. Where does it say it? It says it on here. A color changing cream stamping polish that's extra cool. Watches your fingertips change from blue to purple as you warm up by the fire. So this darker color is the cool color. And then this up here is the warm color, and that looks more pink to me. So I'm not quite sure where they're getting purple. And after I have it cured in the lamp, you will see it go a little bit more. I actually made swatches. So here's the swatch for this color. And I've already started. Okay. I wrote this on thermal, and then I wrote C, blue, and H, purple. So for cold and hot, but I'm already rubbing it off. Okay, I do my stamping polish swatches the same every time. So I always put a little dab here so that I can kind of see just how opaque it is in one coat. And then I stamp over a side of black and white. I use the same stamp on every single one of my stamping polish swatches. And then I do 2 coats down here so I can see what it looks like as a polish, as a base polish. And then I cover it with a glossy gel top coat. So that's this one, and I'm gonna stick that in the lamp for a minute, for a little bit, and give you a little look-see on what that looks like once it's done. But until then, we will pull out the other one. This one is Fleece, and it's a really pretty kind of silvery champagne metallic. It's super pretty. I like this color. Look at that. That's just really, I love the metallics that Maniology comes out with. And that one looks like that. Okay, let's pull it out of the light. So see, I mean, that went kind of lavender, but on my finger it's more pink. So I'm not quite sure if it's the gel top coat. Well, I put a gel top coat over this too, so I'm not quite sure why it went more pink on my fingernail than it did here. But lavender to blue, pink to blue. It's a thermal. It's pretty cool regardless. Okay, then we get a sticker, and this is in place of the pineapple gummies that we used to get. I'm hoping those will come back soon now that the weather is growing cooler again. Every box, every order comes with a stamping guide that explains how to stamp. And if you order your first Maniology subscription box, you will get a, I have dirty ones, they're not great looking, but you get an ice cube stamper. It's kind of rectangular like this. You'll get one of those free with your first subscription box. And then, so you get 5 elements. You get the 2 polishes, you get 2 plates, and you get a 5th element, which is different every time. And I'll get into that. But this one, I'll try and do this without too much glare. I can come up and it'll be a little, you're still gonna see my phone in there, I'm sorry. Okay. So this is a really pretty plate. I love this plate because of these cute little reindeer that you can change their facial expressions, and the gingerbread men, and you can change their hats and their neckwear and their facial expressions. Super cute. And they've got snow globes and just pretty Christmassy things. And then they've got these as well. So these are layered. So you can layer this one on top of this, or you can layer this one on top of this. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost positive they both line up. It looks like they both line up. So maybe we'll do, instead of doing it just with this one and this one, we will mix it up a little bit and do one of each. And then this says, Dear Santa, I've been good-ish. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Naughty or nice? Dear Santa, just bring wine. That's cute. Okay, and then the other one, so I can get no glare. Okay, this one has great backgrounds for full nails. They don't feel like they're super deeply etched, so hopefully they'll stamp well. Happy holidays. These are all snowflakes. And then this one says, Where's Santa? And Santa's not in the sleigh. I like this one. It's Christmas lights, and I really love all the snowflakes with the geometrics and the swashes and swashes. I just think these are really pretty. I like that. I can't wait to use those later. But today we're going to be using this plate because the featured Mani is these 2, and then it also uses this one with one of the 5th element items. And the 5th element are these really cool little gold studs that you just place on your Mani with like either nail glue, or you can use polish if you want, I think. And I probably will be using just a gel top coat or something to be applying mine with. But I think we're going to use these little itty bitty stars. Okay, so I have already prepped my nails. So I'm not going to do this one because it didn't show it on here. Wow, look at that. It's still so pink. Okay, that will be pretty, but it has just a snowflake with a star gold stud. So we will do that. And then these 2 shows the layering, and I think I'm going to do one of these with the snowflakes, but I think I'm going to do one of the other nails with the other, so just so we can see it, because I think that will be cool. Okay, so I'm going to pause here, get cleaned up and set up for the Mani, and we will come back. Okay, let's get started on this mani. I am pulling out my Christmas monocle stamper and my Christmas scraper just to get in the season. I gotta fix it. It's not okay. So it got pushed down a little too far. So you want it so the base of the stamper, the silicone part, just goes to this line right here. So that looks good. Clean it off with my handy dandy lint roller. And let's get going. Okay, one of the first things I always do with a new plate is I take some acetone and I always wipe it off. Just to kind of get the stickum off from the little film that you have to take off. So I usually do that. Okay, so the first thing, it says prep nails with concealing base coat, and I used, what did I use? Where did I put it? Oh, I put it away. I used Serena gel polish by iGel Beauty for this color, just so I could have a nice neutral base. Okay, protect your cuticles with protective tape. I don't have protective tape, so what I have is I have this latex. It's actually body latex. Open it. It comes in a tub and it is super cheap, and I just fill up this this old nail polish bottle I have. This just blank one that I think I bought it separate just so I could do this. And then that way I get this latex for around my nails, and it doesn't cost me an arm and a leg to have to replace all the time. And it actually lasts a really long time because I've had this one for quite a few months and I haven't refilled it yet. So I have a huge tub, and I usually do 2 coats because it's easier to remove when you have 2 coats. And then I struggle a little bit because I'm putting this on 2 nails that are right next to each other, and I'm hoping I won't pull a typical move like I usually do and stick my nails together with them by just keeping them too close to each other. I probably will, but we shall try not to. Okay, so that is instead of the little protect cuticle tape that you can get at Maniology, which looks really cool, and maybe someday I'll get that because that looks easy to use and super cool and very easy to remove as well, so that will be cool. Now I just gotta wait for this to dry a little bit before I use it. Okay, get ready. So it uses Frigid, and it uses it on this one. All right, now I like to have a paper towel. Oh, don't touch things. I'm just sticking to stuff. Okay, I like to have a paper towel super close by. Now, this has quite a bit of negative space, and I have a tendency to kind of push a little hard when I'm scraping, so I need to make sure that I'm really light-handed when I scrape on an image like this. Otherwise, I kind of push down and I remove too much of the nail polish. So I'm going to try and be good. All right. Ooh, whoa, way too much. I got way too much. Well, don't do that. All right, really light-handed, and then I pick up in the opposite. I roll. Oh, that was terrible. That's what I get for putting way too much. But, you know, stamping. I never get it right the first time. Never, 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 ever. Okay. Let's try again, and let's not put quite so crazy much on there this time. Alright. Okay, lightly scrape. Okay, and then I roll it in the opposite direction that I scraped. And I moved it a little too much because some of those are round and some of those got flattened because I think when I moved it. So maybe I'll do an up and down. That might, and see how there's like there's some missing holes in those too. Okay, let's try again. I am kind of a perfectionist, so it always takes me forever. It always takes me lots of tries before I'm happy with what I get. And I have tried this a couple of times before, but hopefully this time we'll do it. I have found I can't have way too much, but I can't have too little, or oh, that might be way too much. Or I won't get a good pick up. So okay. And oh, that was pretty decent. So let's put that right there. Okay. Now, one of the things I do like to do is take this end of my cuticle pusher and I kind of separate anything that looks like it might want to try and stick to my nail that shouldn't be sticking to my nail. And then push it down. Okay. Very good. I'm happy with that. Now clean off my stamper. Okay. Clean off my and do the other side. Now it needed quite a bit, but it didn't want too much. All right, so gentle, 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 back and forth, okay? And then gentle roll, barely putting any pressure. Okay, I think that's gonna work okay. Careful. There. It's not perfect, but it's also going to have an image on top of it. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Right? Perfection is an illusion. Nothing is ever perfect. All right, I think that's gonna be nice. Okay, so we are done with frigid. And time to clean up. I'm gonna use a clean side of that. Try to get the clean side of that. Okay, make sure. All right. I'll get a different pad for the next. So I don't keep getting purple. Okay, now clean off my stamper. Got it everywhere. Oh my god, all over the place. Okay, now we're gonna take, what's it called again? Fleece. Shake it up, and it says to do these flakes. Okay. Let's see if those Yeah, I got too much. I need to scrape better. Okay, that's okay. Never get it perfect the first time. Never, never, never. Okay. Now, which one does it match up with? That one. I think I like that though. I want a better pickup. I'm gonna try again because I think I can pick up better than that. I don't see why I can't. I should be able to just fine. All right, here we go again. Yeah, that's terrible. I think I need a new page. I have been stamping with this page too long. Okay, we are all clean. Clean it up. Go again. Okay. Oh, tried to pick up the wrong thing. Those are awful. I'm not having much luck. Okay, so now I know with Cozy last month, so many people had a really hard time picking up a good image. And somebody gave me tips, and let's see if I can remember it. You use a lot of polish. And you have to roll. All right, let's just use a whole lot of polish. No. Let's see if that helps. All right, scrape gentle. And roll. That's better. Okay. There, it's actually pretty. Okay, that's the trick. That's the trick. Okay, clean that off, and then we will do, I'm gonna do this one on this finger, just to be a little different, because I can't do everything exactly the way I'm told. That just wouldn't be like me at all. All right, it says use lots. Get it in there. I'm actually gonna get it in there. Okay. And roll. Oh, that picked up so nice. Look at that. Can you see it? There's gotta be a way. See? So nice. Okay, now where does it match? It doesn't. Where did I do it? No, these? Shoot. Oh, these. This is where it matches. Okay. It's close. Not perfect. cool. I like it though. I mean, it's not perfect. This one's a little, ugh. And that one's not quite where it needs to be. Maybe I didn't line them up quite right. But I like it anyway. I think it's pretty. Okay, so it's time to take this. I don't know, this stuff kind of reminds me of snot a little bit. Which I guess is okay. I mean, I'm a mom, so it's not like I haven't had my fair share of dealings with snot, so totally okay with it. All right, and then I roll it. Ooh, don't take it off with my nail. All right, very pretty. Okay, take that snot off. Now time to take this snot off. How did I miss that? I still managed to get some on my skin. I'm special. Okay. That is pretty. I kind of like that, Manny. All right, especially with the color changing, that's super cool. Okay, so now let's clean this off. Then we need to do what does it do on this side? It is a snowflake with a star stud in the middle. Okay, this snowflake is what I'm gonna guess, since that's the only one that seems to fit. Alrighty. Let's get it all in there. Oh no. Oh, that's pretty. That worked nice. And it was too slow. That's okay. We have a bullet roller for that purpose. Bam. Isn't that pretty? You're getting a shine. Stay nice, stay nice. Oh, it did. Nice. All right, images like this are great because you don't need to use the liquid latex on your fingers for them. Oh, did I not clean that one up yet? Yes, I did. It's totally fine. Oh, that turned out so nice. Look at that. See, I mean, the lighting is terrible. I'm sorry. See if you can see it. There. I didn't put a sticky base coat, so I'm like, ah. Yay! Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, and then it's gonna look even better with the little stud in the middle. All right, clean up my mess right here. I always clean up. So I clean up with acetone, and then I go in with a lint-free wipe and alcohol and shine it all up. Sometimes I gotta do that twice. Yeah, now it's all pretty. Okay, now I need to figure out. All right, I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna come back with the studs. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready for studs. So I got my 2 little star studs. They're itty bitty. Right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some gel top coat. And you can do just like a little itty bitty teeny tiny dot of nail glue if you want. Or you can use regular polish, I think. But me, I like the gels. So I'll put a little dot there. And then I'm going to grab a dotting tool. Just, that one's too big, I need a smaller one. That's a nice small dotting tool. And then I'm going to use my little nail prop to help me keep me steady. All right, so put a little dot there. I'm going to set that right in the middle. And then I'm going to take my little gem grabber. Alright, and then I use this side to line it up. Right. Back. No. Go where I tell you, not where you feel like it. There, right there. And then I'm gonna stick that in the lamp, just flash cure. So hopefully it'll just stay long enough. Seconds should do it. Oh yes, perfect. Okay, now I can do this side. Grab a little dot. I don't know why my lighting is so bad today. I think it might be because it's so overcast outside today. I need to do something about better lighting somehow. So I'm sorry. Okay, my little grabber tool, just very gently. Otherwise it doesn't want to come off very nice there. Oh, that came off so nice. Now place it. Push it up right where I want it. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. That's cool. Okay, and now I'm going to cure them both. Flash cure. 10 seconds ought to do it. Just to keep them still. Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little dotting tool. And then I'm going to kind of go, I'm going to run some more top coat just right around the edge. That will help it anchor better. There. Okay, do the same thing over here. Then we will cure that. Another flash cure. While that's happening, I'm going to take my lint-free wipe with alcohol on it. Wipe that off. Okay, perfect. Okay, flash cure. Okay, so now I'm going to take my top coat. I do not have to use a smudge-free top coat with a gel top coat. I just need to be very careful to float the product instead of wipe the product. And I'm just going to go ahead and go over very gently. And it's pretty dry, so I shouldn't have any trouble. and that's self-leveling, so that should level out pretty nice. All right, and then I'm floating. I'm not scraping. I'm not pushing it down on the image I want. I mean, it kind of looks like it, I know. But I promise you I'm being super gentle, and it helps that it has had some time to dry. Move it over here. And then we will cure. And it's going to change the color again. I wonder if it's going to go more pink, or if maybe it'll give me the lavender this time. Huh, I wonder. Let's wait and see. I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, and there you have it. So I'm going to go in with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil. This is Caramel Apple. It's part of their Fall Trios, which is no longer available. But you could probably ask for something similar in the scent bar, because she'll make you just about anything. I think as long as it's not a former subscription scent, I'm pretty sure she will make it for you. Oh, I love this stuff. Caramel apple. Smells so good. Smells just like fall. Rub that in. And there you have it. So what do you think about this box? Do you like it? Do you like all the wintry, all the snowflakes and the little reindeer? And what's your favorite part of this box? I'm curious. Super cute. So tell me what you think about this box. What's your favorite part of it? Which is your favorite image? And if you like, you can go ahead and like and subscribe my channel. And I am a Maniology affiliate, so you can use my code NAILIT10 to get 10% off of your Maniology order. So thanks for coming to my channel and watching me nail it. I'll see you later. Bye.